Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am back with another girly day in the life vlog. I'm actually outside TJ Maxx right now. We're going to do a little shopping. When I get home, I've got some packages to unbox with you guys. I got a new bag. It's been a minute since I've done a girly day in the life and I'm ready to catch up with you guys. So grab you a snack, get you a coffee, whatever is your jam, and let's hang out for the day. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. And other than that, let's just go ahead and hop straight in. Starting off first with TJ Maxx, I found the cutest Coquette cake candles, you guys. So this first one is from the brand Rachel Zoe, and then I found this really pretty one from Laura Ashley. I actually hauled this one a couple weeks back. They also had this really cute spring floral like tiered cake one. And then tell me this does not remind you of the Loveshackfancy organizer. It was really cute. I just don't know if I have the space for it in my beauty room. I had a bunch of new spring floral comforters coming in and this really cute cupcakes and cashmere one. They also had a bunch of new tumblers. Really cute Coquette serveware. These are all plastic bowls and trays. I think they're adorable. Next up, I found some really cute Juicy Couture socks. It's been a minute since I've gotten anything Juicy Couture, but those were super cute. They had a bunch of new slippers in, some ribbons, strawberries, all kind of cute ones. New pajamas from Juicy Couture. I thought this cherry set was really cute. Always love to check the hair section for all the bows that they have. These make great bag charms too. And then I hit the jackpot on the makeup bags. They had a ton of Juicy Couture ones in, new designs I've never seen before. They had some with bows on them, and then more of these like throwback Y2K Juicy Couture makeup bags. This hot pink one was cute. And then I found the cutest Ted Baker bag. I was actually really surprised to see this there. I ran back to the comforter section just to make sure I didn't miss anything, and I found this really cute Laura Ashley one. And then we are at the checkout and I found some more cute tumblers. Next up, we're headed into Bath & Body Works. I wanted to check out this new Sweetest song line and actually went there to get the candle and they didn't have it. So I'm going to order the candle and the body sprays online, but look at the rest of this collection. It's stunning. All of their candles were on sale for $11.95 and they had these really cute Mother's Day gift sets. And then look how pretty this little wallflower plug-in is. Stop is Ross. Ross has been very hit or miss here for me lately. I didn't find much in Ross. They had a couple cute Coquette shirts and stuff. So I went to Bealls next and they had these really cute Laura Ashley bralettes in there. These were floral themed, and then this chair that I have been eyeing for forever. I can't decide if I should get it. It's a little bit pricey, but it's a swivel and it's $2.99. You guys let me know what you think. I think it's absolutely adorable. And then we found a really pretty gold tray. This is like the pink one that I found a couple weeks ago. So I have some packages to unbox with you guys. I got in the cutest bag from Tide Locker. So I'm going to go get the rest of my bags from TJ Maxx and Bath & Body Works, and then we will start unboxing. I got to start with the bag first though, because it's so cute. So it's pink, and this company has sent me bags before in the past, and they always are such good quality. I'll link them down in my description box. Literally the cutest bag I've gotten in a long time. You guys, tell me this is not so cute. It gives me Y2K vibes. Is she not gorgeous? Let me get the plastic and everything off, and then I will show you guys what the inside looks like. I am so in love with this. So I love how you've got this little front pouch right here. And the way I am, I would probably like put my wallet in here. That way I can just easily grab it. And then the inside of it, you've just got that classic black, and you've got plenty of little card holder slots. And then you've got a little zipper slot right here. That classic flap design. It looks like it's going to be the perfect length too. I could definitely picture this with pretty much any outfit. You could go dressy with it. You could even go casual with some jeans. I love the length of this bag too because it comes like right above where my hip is. Now I just need to get a really cute card holder or wallet to match it. I have a feeling this is probably going to be my bag of the summer. I have not been this excited about a bag in a long time. They also had a bucket version of this one, and it was in pink and white. Guys, let me know what you think about it down in the comments. It gives me Barbie vibes, Legally Blonde vibes, just, I don't know. I love this bag. Got in the Love Shack mini perfumes from Sephora. These just came out. These are so adorable. These are in two of my favorite scents. So the Endless Dreams and then the Forever in Love. Here's what the little droppers on these look like. These are perfect for on the go, not to mention they're just so cute because they're so tiny. Don't they look so adorable by their big sisters? This next package is from ColourPop, and I'm super excited for it. So they just came out with these new plumping gloss bombs. These are available at Ulta. Looks like they're going to be $10 each. It's a plumping lip gloss. The shades look gorgeous. I already tell I'm going to really like these two. Looks like shade Girly Pop is going to be really pretty. You guys ignore my hands. I self-tanned this morning and just don't judge me. Okay, so they're really sheer. I swatched two of them on my arm. You got Cyberstar and Girly Pop. They're really sheer with like a kind of like a lip tint. It says they have ceramides, peptides, and they are supposed to plump and smooth your lips. They also have hyaluronic acid. So I'm super excited to try these out. These should be available at... Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I thought they were coming to Ulta. So it says they're only available at ColourPop. And then next up, we got in a package from Benefit. By the way, the giveaway winner has been announced. If you guys missed last week's video, we did a giveaway and the winner has been announced. Let's see what Benefit sent over. Okay, they definitely hooked us up. So we have the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. This is one of my favorites. I'm actually almost out of this one, so I'm glad they sent it. And then you have the 24-hour brow setter. The Benetint blush. You can also use this on your lips. I put a lot of this stuff in the giveaway, actually. And then the Benefit Porefessional. This is a setting spray. I love the setting spray. It kind of mattifies your face a little bit. Not to mention, this bottle lasts me forever. Color Lash. This one has a super fine wand on it, and it really curls your lashes. From Bath & Body Works, I had to get that really cute wallflower plug-in. I put it in my kitchen. I'll show you guys what it looks like right here. I just thought it would be super cute. And then I did their 5 for $27 on the refills. And then I picked up this Main Street Bakery candle for my kitchen. This one smells so good. It has notes of vanilla, banana, and cinnamon. I think it's perfect scent for the kitchen because it literally smells like a bakery. And then I found the cutest little Coquette lamp at TJ Maxx for $14.99. It's a really, really small one. I'm either going to put it on my vanity or stick it in one of my bathrooms. But is that not so cute? I put it in the bathroom because I just got this really cute kind of Coquette style themed rug off of Amazon to stick in my guest bathroom. It's really soft, and they also had a pink version, but I think I'm going to go with the blue version in that bathroom, so we'll see. Here's the shower curtain I got off Amazon. I can't remember what the brand was. It's kind of reminded me of Laura Ashley, but I don't know if the rug is actually going to match. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. One last PR package to unbox. This was from Elemis, and they have a new Pro Collagen SPF. This is SPF 50. Says it's a lightweight sunscreen, and it doesn't have a white cast. I love Elemis products, and I definitely love anything that has collagen infused in it. So I'll be excited to use this for the summer. The weather definitely took a turn. It's going to be getting dark here in like 20 minutes and it is storming. I guess I'm going to do some skincare and stuff and get cozy. Also picked up some nails at TJ Maxx. I have fallen in love with this nail reformation. I swear these last me forever. Every time I find a color I like, I buy like 2 packs of them. So I picked these little pink ones up. I think I'm going to do my nails. Put some cozies on. I'll do this little 2-piece set I got from Walmart a while back. Kind of gives me Love Shack fancy vibes. I'm going to display this purse right there until we get to take her out. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Love you guys so much. Congratulations to the giveaway winner, and I will see you back here on my next one. Bye, loves.